Monsieur. The light and simple way. I hear many of you say, but this is not a Croque Monsieur, it hasn't got the sauce and the grilling. This is Eat Like a French Family Croque Monsieur, the one my mum would cook on a school night when she didn't feel like cooking. It's a simple ham and cheese toasty, cooked in the frying pan with lots of butter. How to make a ham and cheese toasty that tastes French? You use Swiss cheese. I am not joking. Emmental and Gruyère are made in the Alpes. Same mountain, one side is Swiss, one side is French. But here abroad in England and in the rest of the world, they are often sold in the Swiss cheese department. And that's what's going to transform this simple ham and cheese sandwich into a Croque Monsieur. What my mum used to grate the cheese really thinly, I remember. When I checked in my traditional French cooking book for how to do it properly to show you, it actually said that you should cut it in really thin slivers with your vegetable peeler. And that's what I normally do. So I was quite chuffed that I do it like it says in the book. So this is how we're doing it. We're going to put a good amount of butter on our sliced bread. And because I want the butter, of course, to be on the toasted side, I'm putting it into my cold pan before I start loading the sandwich. Because when you put it on the plate, load the sandwich and lift the sandwich to the pan, sometimes you lose part of the butter. So I'm filling it in the pan. My little slivers of Gruyère. This is Gruyère. The outer rind of the Gruyère is really strong. So I tend to just take it off. The chickens get that as a treat. If you're enjoying this recipe, if it's making you feel like a French flavored ham and cheese toasty, please subscribe to our channel. I have tons and tons of little recipes like that, things that I have watched my family cook since I was a little girl and that I still cook for my family here in England. And then I'm going to just make those little slivers, add my ham, another layer of cheese, and then my second piece of bread with butter on top, so when I flip it over it's going to toast lovely with the butter. I did not know you could have bechamel on a Croque Monsieur until I ate one in a cafe or a bar or a brasserie as a student, because this is the way I ate it at home. And suddenly I'm presented with this beautiful, complicated dish almost, with the sauce and it's beautifully grilled on top. That is also delicious, and I promise I will show you how to make a fully blown bechamel Croque Monsieur one day, and we'll also make some Croque Madame. But for today I'm going to enjoy my simple, light, eat like a French family Croque Monsieur. Bon appétit les amis!